in this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Disney Plus streaming issues. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi or cellular data. Give a fresh restart to your router. For smooth streaming, Disney Plus generally works best with 5 Mbps for SD content and 25 Mbps for 4K Ultra SD content. Next, reset your network settings. Launch settings, go to General, go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset Network Settings and complete the process. Next, pause large downloads. Disconnect unused devices from Wi-Fi. Move closer to the router or use an Ethernet connection if possible. A quick restart can also resolve temporary app or memory issues. Next, check for app update. Install the latest version from your device App Store or Play Store. Likewise, if your connection is unstable, reducing video quality can help prevent buffering. VPN causes slower speed, so disable it if you are connected. Lastly, completely delete Disney Plus app from your device and reinstall it. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.